Your TV stand is often the focal point of your room. In this video, we will learn about the different types to consider. A good TV stand should be able to hold heavy weight, provide passive ventilation for your equipment, and allow access to cords. For a living room or den that is short on space, a media console is a great option. These pieces are able to hold most TV sizes and offer both open and closed storage. This is key, since some electronics need to be accessible via remote and others require closed areas to hide away clutter. This mid-century inspired console features clean lines and a weathered gray oak finish, perfect for a modern or contemporary space. For a more traditional style room, a console with a distressed finish and worn edges will create a rustic look. A wall-mounted console is a great option for a small apartment or any room that would like to save on space. This one is mounted below the TV, featuring open shelving for media devices. Media dressers are a good multifunctional piece that can hide a TV completely when not in use. These are especially useful in a bedroom, providing a place to station your TV and store extra clothes all in one. This traditional media dresser offers a mahogany veneer and decorative silver drawer pulls. A large media center with shelving is a great choice for a traditional living room or den. Media centers provide ample storage space with drawers, cabinets, and shelves for DVDs, media components, games, and more. They are a great option for a larger space. When selecting your home entertainment furniture, just remember to measure your available space and room size. Consider openings for ventilation and cords. Think about your storage needs. And match your personal decor style.